My name is Mark Reynolds, and along with my wife Susan, we make artisan bacon here in Afford with a company called Piggery Smokery. I started making bacon quite a few years ago now, mainly because I was really unhappy with what the supermarkets were offering me. I've always been into making beer and wine and stuff like that, so bacon was one of these recipes that I just didn't know what it was. And the very first products I turned out were just pretty awesome. There's two arms to Piggery Smokery. One is this shop called the Sue's Lug, and that's kind of like the end point of the production line, if you like. The source point is back at my base up in Afford, where we make the bacon to start off with. So the bacon making process is about a 2-week process. There's various stages in it: getting the raw pork, checking it, washing it, curing it with the salt, drying it, smoking it, drying it a little bit more, and then slicing it and then selling it in this fridge. As part of the curing process, if you like, we do add rubs to it at various stages during the production. For example, dark Duloc, where we're using local ale. We also try to use things like Lost Loch spirits. They've got Scotland's only absinthe. It lifts an edge to the bacon and it makes it a nice bright taste. We try to use local where we can. If they've got residue they're throwing out and not actually using for anything, we can probably put it onto the pork and maybe something pretty awesome out of it. I was always conscious when I was making bacon that what I produced, fairly straightforward, gave a product which I didn't recognize. And that's a real shame, because if I didn't recognize it as what I'm getting from the supermarket, you got to wonder, what are these guys giving us? The supermarkets, in my opinion, sell themselves so far short for profit. This product here is a genuine 100% Scottish product using Scottish meat, and it is bang on amazing. And if you combine it with the Sue's Lug with an absolutely amazing coffee and honey cake, it is a meal just to blow your socks off.